everybody. Today I have a Play-Doh set and I hope it's very awesome if you play with me with it. And there's 3 princesses, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and Belle. And there's 4 types of Play-Doh, and you can see on the back too. And then there's a lot of different types of Play-Doh, like purple, yellow, brown, and pink, and blue, and shiny, and every single tire that I'm going to play with. And I hope you get this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's open it up. I wonder what kind of accessories it comes with. It's going to be so awesome. I can't wait to see. Ooh, instructions. So it has some Play-Doh. 3 Play-Doh first. Princesses. A tassel. Ooh. What's this? Ooh, that. It comes with all the set. We have Belle, Sleeping Beauty, and Cinderella. So first you're taking out Belle. Belle. I like Belle. Belle. Ooh, this is an awesome Belle. So awesome. Good, what's in Sleeping Beauties.
You want to show it to the camera?
Oh, and they're her friends too. You thought her friends. This also opens. And you can make a dress. Ooh, another dress. So the different ingredients. So here we have. Oh, what's this set, Daddy?
Well,
How do you say?
Let's look. Where does that go?
Does it go?
Look how it goes. That's the bottom.
Oh.
So let's put it at the bottom.
Okay. This is Cinderella's, this is Sleeping Beauty's, and this is Belle's.
Go like that. And then?
We need instructions. Here's the instructions, Daddy. Ooh, a pin's in there.
Where do you think this goes? It needs to fit nicely. How about the other ones?
That one goes here. We need to build the whole entire castle. Hi everybody. Hi Sleeping Beauty. Hi Belle and hi Cinderella. Hi everybody. Hi. Welcome to my living room. Which one's your living room? And which one's your living room? I have a living room too. Come and see my living room first. Ooh, your living room is so amazing. Let's see my living room first. Ooh, this is so awesome. I know. Let's close the door now. Let's go and see Cinderella's. Yeah. Oh, what's this? A pins? Now Cinderella's.
Show each of the doors. Who's in each door?
This is Belle's.
Which
Sleeping Beauties.
Sleeping Beauty. Open it up. Okay. And then what's the next? Prince.
Prince Charming.
Prince Charming. And the other one? Okay.
Cinderella.
Now, do you know what we do with each of the molds?
What?
I'm going to show you. What color is Rapunzel's hair?
Yellow.
Do we have Rapunzel here?
Yeah.
But do we have the Princess Rapunzel or no?
No. We just have a picture of her.
Oh. Okay. Well, here's what we're going to do. You take the Play-Doh and you put it into the mold to make their dresses.
I want to make Bell's dress first.
So Belle is what color? What color dress?
Yellow.
Yellow? You want to make blue for that one?
Yeah.
Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I know everything.
Because of the shoe?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you how it goes. I'm going to take a little bit of this.
Okay.
We're going to split it in half.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it here. Like that. Then we're going to put this one here. Then you're going to put, oh, maybe it's too much. I'm going to take a little bit off. Press it a little bit like that. This one, we press it a little bit like this. Okay, and then we put this here. You see? You push it in. Then close the door.
Okay.
Push it really hard.
Now can we open it? See?
Yeah, so. What?
What? Yeah.
It makes a dress for her, huh?
Yeah. Sleepy Beauty's turn.
The remainder here.
None of them fell off.
That's okay, we can put it back. Which is that one? Which is it? That one? Pink one?
Yeah, pink for her.
Okay.
I can't wait to see Sleeping Beauty. I'm gonna make Sleeping Beauty a little hat. How do you make Sleeping Beauty's hat? Get that Sleeping Beauty's hat. Her
I
hat.
like it.
I like her.
Remember you showing it to the camera, right?
Yeah. That's her hat, everybody.
Okay, let's put Sleeping Beauty into the chambers.
Let me take her hat off. So
Put it right here, and you have to push it in quite a bit.
I can't wait to see her.
All right, let's close it.
Oh.
Here, let me close it this way so people can see. All right, now you push it. Okay, and then, hold on. Let me see, abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Spin it around. And we have, here, let me take this off. All the extra
Another
stuff.
one fell off. I put it back. Both of them have matching dresses.
So that's how you put her dress on, right?
Yeah. Bell's turn.
So there's 1, 2. Which one is Belle's? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's see.
So this time I'm gonna do this one.
You're gonna do this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this one by myself.
All right.
I'm strong.
You're so strong.
Yeah. But
Sounds
Mama
good.
said he is strong, but I'm only strong and he's not.
He's not?
No.
But you are?
Yeah.
Oh.
And he's fast, but I am fast.
All right. Let's close it up. Okay, and then what else do we do? Now, if it's too hard for you, you know you can put him like this too.
Yeah.
Put it down and push with your hands like that.
You do it for me now.
Okay.
I get it.
And then we open it up.
What happened to her crown? I mean her hat.
You took it off, remember?
Oh yeah.
When we were making it. Now, I'm going to teach you another thing that you can do with this.
Okay, I want to make the pins.
Okay, you want to make the prints first, or you want me to teach you first?
Teach me first how
Okay.
you make the pins.
No, I'm not. I'm going to teach you something else. You know what this is for?
What? To make Rapunzel's hair?
Yes. How did you know?
Yes.
You want to try?
I want to make purple hair for her instead.
Purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Purple hair.
What we do is we take this out. Okay, we'll take only a little bit,
Take.
but just a little bit. Like this much, and put it in there.
Take.
Alright, and then you use this. Let me see. Remember not to force it, okay? It only fits one way very easily. So, maybe like this. Hold on. Let's make sure. Yeah. So every time you want to do it, it goes like this, okay?
Okay.
And then watch the hair is going to come out. Oh, let's take this out so it doesn't get in the way. Push it down. Whoa, look at that.
Can I make
Want
one
to put a
more?
little more?
Yeah. Because I want to make big hair.
Big hair like the 80s hair?
Yeah.
There we go.
One more.
Okay, here, and I'll help you so the camera can see. Let me help you with this one so the camera can see. Look at that. Super long hair. And then take it off right here.
Ooh.
Show the camera. Then you have Rapunzel hair, super long.
I ate Rapunzel's hair.
And then you can put the princesses here.
Yeah.
One here. I think only 2 fit in there. Alright, let's see what else we have. Now on the bottom, there's some stuff. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So you can make some shapes.
No, some fence for them. Some fence.
Some of their friends, right?
Yeah. I want to make one of their fence. I want to make all of their fence.
Here's a little birdie.
Who's that?
That's the bird that helps him make the dress, right? And over here is a pumpkin.
Tweet.
Oh yeah, here's the pumpkin.
Pumpkin. What's the pumpkin for?
Remember the pumpkin? She turns the pumpkin into a carriage
Yeah.
to go to the ball.
Yeah. And another fan, and a rose, and a mirror, and a throne, and another mirror, and a post, and some more flowers, and another rose, and another
And
fan.
here's the little mouse that helps them make the dress.
No, this is a dormouse, not a boy mouse.
Okay.
It's wearing a dress.
Let's make the prince.
What? Yeah, I ate Prince. I ate Prince Charming. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Should we make him what color? Purple, pink.
Shiny.
You want to make it shiny gold?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't wait to see the pinks. Oh, I didn't know this door opens.
Yeah.
Open and close.
So we do it kind of like the other ones. We put a little bit of this right there.
Oh,
And
when,
then, here.
how do we do the head?
We'll put a little more for the head. All right, and then
Okay,
Close
toast it, toast it, toast it.
squeeze it.
Squeeze.
There's Prince Charming.
Prince Charming. I ate one.
Show your princess to the camera.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna play with my toy. Bye bye. I love it. Remember to see the next video. Bye bye.